Sorry about a bit of a delay. You won't see the delay, but you might have these posting a little bit late. Had a bit of a computer issue. But we're back up and running. We're going to look at multiplying polynomials. So multiplying polynomials. Fighting with the batteries in my pen here. There we go. Writing us back to normal. Multiplying polynomials. And this is where our patterns in polynomials will help us. So the first thing we're going to look at is multiplying monomials. And we've been doing this, but we're going to spell it out in terms of monomials. Now, our definition of a monomial was that a monomial had one term, right? Mon from mono, one. So we only have one term. So if we're multiplying monomials, like 3x squared, which is one term, times 4y cubed, both of these are monomials. So I'm multiplying two monomials. I only have one term. Well, our commutative rules of multiplication mean we can multiply in any order. We did this when we were looking at our exponent rules. So we have multiplied monomials. And we've multiplied monomials fairly well. But we're specifying it here as a subset of the patterns we're looking at. So to do this, I'll put my coefficients together. I'll put my x's together. And I'll put my y's together. And I get 12x squared y cubed. Now when we multiply monomials, we tend to keep them alphabetical order. And we don't focus on the degree of the variables inside the term. And if we're going to keep them in alphabetical order, it'll help us recognize the patterns we're going to see. So that's multiplying a monomial. I'll do another monomial here. And really, multiplying monomials are the basis for us of multiplying polynomials in general. So let's look at, we're going to multiply, let's come over here, 2x cubed times y as my first monomial. Put it in parentheses so we can see it. And then my second monomial is going to be 3x y squared. So I'll rewrite it. I'll put my coefficients first. So 2 times 3. I'll next do all my x's. X cubed times x. Remember there's an invisible 1 hanging there. Now I'll do my y's. Y to the first times y squared. My coefficients multiply together. My x's use our product power rules. When I'm done, I have y x to the fourth, or I'm sorry, 6x to the fourth. I said y, 6x to the fourth y cubed. And so we have been multiplying monomials. But we're specifically going to, since we're looking at polynomials, we're going to identify monomials, and then we're going to multiply them using our exponent rules we've used before. In the next video, we're going to look at multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. So we're going to take one monomial and we're going to multiply it by a longer polynomial. And that's what we're going to look at in the next video.